like ya, me like ya, yeah, me like ya, yeah, yeah, me like ya.
Whenever it come on to them time of area, Vybz Kartel always deliver to the fans them. Not saying that him not always a deliver before them time of area, you know. But you see when it come on to them time of area, him always deliver. You see summer, Christmas, and them season there, Vybz Kartel always a show the fans say watch out now. Members say me are the lyrical bass. Members say me are the lyrical king. Members say me are the dancehall king. Members say me are the dancehall hero. So Vybz Kartel released a single entitled New Moon Pon Saturn. And people, the amount of lyrics when in this brother, if you don't know what you are doing, hear none. May I tell you, open your ears and enjoy the review. Vybz Kartel New Moon Pon Saturn. One chop, we jump right into the review.
Them a say you're not a lawyer, me lawyer. Find your case like a liar, me wire, I'm a nala. Start up the car now, you want him left. Now be my try style, yeah.
Member Cartel come tell us say, you know, enough man I said they get a dog shit, but him don't watch dog shit, so him nah go notice. You see me I say, now them a make more talk and I say, yo, watch her now. That girl they nah go loyal in no Vybz Kartel, so me I want you lower her alone. You see me I say, but Vybz Kartel no matter cause the man still love her. Him dep on her case like a liar. Him want her. You see me I say, that girl there and the youth they left. Who him a talk? Me no know, but him a try style area now, but guess what go on now? Fuck them, we no care. We are drive out the Benz and we are moving high speed. You understand? Because guess what? Me rate you, you rate me. So even if people are telling me things about you, me don't want to hear that you pass. That not have nothing to do with me. The whole of them last. You understand? I don't know. Say Vybz Kartel is a stubborn youth, you know. You tell him, say, low that girl, low what? Them man they believe in. No, no left me now. God know things must get better.
Fuck the whole of them, fuck them all. Man a real killer, things can't listen on at all. Drive off like Vybz Kartel, New Moon Pon Saturn. Apart from me kids and money, you're all that matters.
Would you ever pay them no mind, you know? Cause guess what go on? You see you, no boy can this year. Your ex can't ramp with you cause guess what man a real killer. Who have your back in the street. So anything you want do, you can do. You see me? If you want this him. But don't really pick no trouble still, because you don't know we're not there for the troublemaker them, you see me? But you don't know, apart from kids and money, you don't know a thing go, and you understand? Because you don't know say the kids and the money are the top priority them. You see me? So you don't know Vybz Kartel if it's alright then. Apart from my kids and my money, you don't know you my choose same way. You see me I say, and no boy can violate you. Because me a real killer and they know that if them violate you, a suicide mission. Because they know say it now go tap you so. You understand? We are going to attack with full effect. You see me I say? But viewer subscriber, tell me what you think about the song. Because big woman thing, as me hear the song, me I say blood clot. This are the Vybz Kartel, you know. When me hear lyrical song, me say see Vybz Kartel, You don't know a thing go. And when I hear certain song, you say it's the international cartel there. You see me I say? Because the youth are versatile, you know. And them man sing from all long. And come like him can't get stale. Them man just put out good song, and people just receive it with a good heart. And me can't go run good song. That song is bad, full of lyrics and everything. J Crazy.
Solid gold wrist, white Air Forces. So fucking night, up in orbit. Meet a new girl, same old story. Party last night, wake up, good morning.
Enough people probably don't know the feelings, you know. Enough people probably know experience certain thing with Vybz Kartel attack. You see me I say? Like have 1 and 2 girl and them thing there. No. Enough people probably not chat that road there. But when me I say still, the man say watch out now. Solid gold wrist. You don't know say the man wrist full of beer gold. Pearl white Air Force. You see me? Can I tell you something? You see when Tayara call a Air Force one? You see me reverse when the white one? If you wear that with a white shirt, a black shirt, a blue jeans, it always go together. It no matter. You see me? White Air Force go with everything. Tell me one shoes will go with everything. Desert Clarks, black Desert Clarks, white Air Force, you don't know, black Reebok. You see me? Them thing that go with anything. When you see a woman and a rock a white Air Force. You see me? No joke. Worse when the Air Force one. Clean. You see me? And the man say, watch out now. Meet a new girl. Same old story. You see me? You don't know us after we done everything. We wake up and say good morning.
Keep the key just in case your thief money, but you never touch a thing. Me like ya and the pussy them a try. fi fight yo. That hunger make me stand stronger beside you.
Yo, even though Vybz Kartel rate that girl there, you know, if you listen keenly, you know, say the man not trust her say, you know. You see me? The man not trust her, because remember say the man don't say, no, I'm picking your money at the top priority, you know. So, the man make sure you keep the key, just in case that girl a thief money. She can't escape. Can't escape a bomb, you see me? But you don't know. Remember say the man already mentioned, say, I'm money, and him pick me, I'm top priority. So, anything if you go wrong with them two there, just know, say, even though I like you, you have to go down. You have to go down. I almost said down, you have to go in the dirt. You understand? Yes, so the man say, watch out now. I keep the key just in case a thief money. But you never touch a thing, because Tessie says, is a liquor. We have getting into Vybz Kartel art right there, so. You see me? The man test you, see if you're real for real, you see me? Let's some money right, let's have some spot where you can see. And then you touch none. All of the ratings drop instant. Because I'm a top priority I touch. You see me? Them money make me become who me is. Plus, them also make my family enjoy themselves. So if you ever touch none of them, me I tell you, you would like it. You see me, people? But I understand the cartel I deal with still. You see me, I say, no joke. You have to test them gala. Because them gala are wicked, them wicked.
Him could stop you even if you was time. Change up yourself, be trapped too much pride. New move, new excitement. You hurt, I am ointment. You no need appointment.
Hey, cartel, no forgetting of the youth girl, Eddie. Yo, the man say, watch out though. Him could stop you, you know. For do what you want to do, even if you was time, you know. You see me? The man said, change up your little move, new excitement, a new man there in your life. You see, if you hurt, I am ointment. You see me? You know, ointment, you put pan cut and bruises and them things. Cartel easy. What you say? You made it, sir. You made it if you are a soul, you know, my jail. No joke no night, man. You see me, I say? But big woman thing still, you know, say, what that true in that song, yeah? What that true? Why you feel like me interested in everything, so with this I say? What a true? I know say me live for this. This is my favorite sport. And me hear what I true. And nobody can tell me say another youth over there, so. You know who me attack. Take that out I still know. That not really have nothing to do with me, you know. That different. But you know who me attack. You see me? Who and the girl left. And stylings that try go on and thing, and you can't touch her, you can't say anything boy you, and you can't touch her, cause guess I go on, man a real killer, and you know it already. You see me, I say, cause you in the streets and here, so no go on like you don't know. You see me? So tell me who you attack. People, mix up there. People, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell for further notification posts. You can't watch a video and not subscribe. Something wrong with you? More than thing you forward, and let me tell you something. Some of the songs them get all 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 review. So people subscribe, you won't miss anything if you subscribe and click the bell. Is the me I say, you can't wait for your friend for you to tell you say something dropping or no, and you go check. No. You need to check instantly.
You need a real man, treat you like a queen and fuck you like a bee man. Make sure you're secure and rich more. Them I say you're not a lawyer, me lawyer.
Music, me say no people. Me no love man, and music me love. You see me? So from me I tell you say the song body, you see me? No joke. You see me? And the people them can forward them negative comment if they want, you see me? Because the comment section open, we not turn it off. You see me? But at the end of the day, we not have to understand say music me say. Me not say man, music. Because you don't know music is our everyday living, you see me? I just instrumental for add pan, we're talking, you see, says it turn out creative type of way. You see me? I say, But viewer subscriber, tell me what you think about the song. How much you grade it out of 10? Give me an honest opinion and thing. You see me? And me not lie. Cartel like get in at the gallery there. I swear. Me see why the girl them put the string on the something type on the bulb and put it on and then all different type of position for sure. You see me? Probably him Instagram page, not him himself. You see me? But you don't know a thing go. Viewer subscriber, Cartel have spoken. You see me? Him say yo watch her now. And that girl let me rock with you know. You see me? And she is not a thief because I set things in place for she thief already and she don't. So I test her loyalty already. You see me? So even though they must say, yo, me not go rate you and you're over and this and that and you're dog shit and thing. Remember say me not watch dog shit you know. Me not go notice them something there. So I want to know say the girl a dog shit. You see? Come like you sit down and watch dog shit and she see. But if you are a subscriber, big up on yourself, you see me? Thanks for passing through. You see me? Cause big woman thinks Maddie get can over there, so. And who can't touch her? Eh? You left her, or she left you, and you're still crazy. Jay crazy, where you get that rhythm from? But people, pick up with yourself. Leave an opinion in the comment section. Until next time. About.